Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you about data visualization. Children, we already discussed about NumPy. So we use NumPy to represent our data in visual form. In Python we use data visualization in 2D format. Children, as you all aware that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Most of us agree with this statement. So in Python, we can represent our data in pictorial form, whether our data is big or small. Data visualization is a discipline of trying to expose the data, to understand it by placing it in a visual context. The main goal is to display the large database into visual graphic to allow for easy understanding of complex relationship within the data. So in Python we can create a number of graphs that is come under pyplot submodule of matplotlib library. Now children, question arise, what exactly is the purpose of data visualization? Children, we can represent our data for better analysis, quick action, identify the different patterns, finding errors, understanding the story, and exploring the business insights. To represent our data in visual form, we required certain files, special files. These special files are known as libraries. So in Python, we use a plotting library. That plotting library is your matplotlib. Matplotlib basically support a wide variety of graphs and plot, namely histogram, bar charts, pie charts, etc. etc. That library has a one interface or submodule, that is your pyplot. Pyplot basically a submodule of matplotlib. Children, whenever you call that library, you need to call NumPy library as well as. Pyplot provide the state machine interface to the plotting library in matplotlib. It means that the figure and axis are implicit and automatically created to achieve the desired plot. So, whenever we call that library matplotlib, we always call like matplotlib.pyplot. The question arises, what exactly is the requirement or purpose of using matplotlib.pyplot? So the main features of matplotlib.pyplot is, number one is drawing. It means you can plot or draw any type of the graph which is based on your data. You can customize it. Once you plot a different type of the graph, you can change graph as per your requirement. Like customization means change the color, style, marker, labels, title, legends, etc. etc. And children, apart from all these things, you can save your graph as PNG or GIF file also in Python with the help of the library, that is matplotlib.pyplot. So three features are available under matplotlib.pyplot. How to plot in matplotlib.pyplot? For plotting, we use, number one, install matplotlib by pyplot with the help of pip command. But children, right now we are using Anaconda. So Anaconda is a complete package. That is why we are not required to use pip. Straight away in script mode, you use import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. PLT is the object of pyplot. Now types of plotting in Python. In Python, we can use line plot, bar, histogram, pie chart, frequency, polygon, box plot and scatter chart with the help of matplotlib.pyplot library of the Python. Now I'll explain you how to create a line graph with the help of matplotlib.pyplot. First, I would like to explain you what is a line plot. Line means a graph that show the frequency of data occurring along a number line. As you all aware about number line, the line plot is represented by a series of data points connected with a straight line. Generally, line plot are used to display trends over time. A line plot or line graph can be created using plot function available in the pyplot library. We can not only plot a line, but we also define the grids, x-axis, y-axis, titles, labels, legends, etc. Children, this is an example to create a line graph. For creating a line graph, first we need to import file as earlier I told you, that is your NumPy and Matplotlib. So first line, import NumPy as NP, then import Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. PLT is an object of pyplot. Pyplot is the interface of Matplotlib. Then we declare two data over here, two data array. First array is year. Number 2, the passing percentage of two schools. It means x-axis we would like to show the years, and on y-axis two different data. The first data is one school and that is JNB pass percentage, and the second data of array is KV pass percentage. Children, JNB pass percentage and KV pass percentage are the data which we would like to display on y-axis. X-axis is fixed, that is years. Then we use PLT object dot plot. Plot function we use to draw a line graph over here. After a plot, the x-axis data that we stored in year variable, then y-axis data that is on J and V pass percentage. This is the name of the variable for the y-axis. Comma color is equal to G. Children, color is another attribute over here in a plot function. So plot function has a number of attributes. Number 1, x and the y-axis data separate by the comma. Then again comma, the color, line style, line width, etc. etc. So in this line we use plt.plot. Year means x-axis, JNV pass percentage is a y-axis data, comma color is green. It means that particular y-axis data we would like to display in green color as shown over here with the help of the arrow. Just see. Then the second line, because we want to plot two lines. In second line, what? plt.plot year. Year is in x-axis, KV pass percentage on y-axis, color is equal to orange. So G is a green. Green, instead of you write GREEN, you can also use the first letter, that is G. So JNV pass percentage graph in green line and KB pass percentage in orange line. After that, we use another function x level and y level, and that is why plt.x level the data is in the parenthesis. So plt.x level years, x level title is year and y level title is pass percentage. And if you want to give the title of the graph, then you use plt.title. Within parentheses, write the title and enclose in inverted quotes, single or double. As well as in x and the y axis, the same thing. Then to show or display the graph, you use plt.show. plt.show means display the graph, whatever you design over here. Save the program and run the module. You would see the following output. Children, as I explained you earlier that you can customize your graph also. So how to customize graph? To customize line graph, we use line color. After x and y axis, we use color is equal to orange light. It means we are changing the color. So similarly, for changing another color, you can use blue, R for the red, so on. The color scheme will be shared very soon. Then the line style, x, comma y, comma line style is equal to dash. It means dot dash dash lines or dotted lines, comma the width of that dash is 4. So this is another attribute of line graph. The dash for the solid line style and dot for the dotted line style. Then next attribute is line width. Line width is over here. That is line width is equal to 22. It means set the line width as required. So 22 is the width of the line. Then the title. Title means to display the title of the graph on the top. Then X and the labels. Labels means the X label title and the Y label title. Under X label and Y label, legends means the key which we want to display. So legends we write like this way because there are the two data which lies on y-axis, JNV and KV. That is why legend is JNV. Location is upper right and second one is KV. KV is the another data which lies on the y-axis. So in this way we set or we customize the line graph also.